Only a way to keep these dogs silent. And off they go. Miss Annie, leave it! Miss Annie! And off that Yorkie goes. Miss Annie! Come here! Yeah. Misty! 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 She can't really run anymore. Come here! Yes? Are you doing much better? Huh? Are you? Look at this.